other dignitaries. Sir Gyan cheers for all our present dignitaries. Thank you, student clapping and welcome. Great and students, that is investiture ceremony. The ceremony of investiture is a platform to showcase the leadership skill and the abilities of our students. It is the most significant ceremony in the schedule of our school events. The investiture ceremony marks a significant beginning of the new academic session. Huge clappings. It is the investiture ceremony for 2025-26. Our Chief Mentor and Director, Honorable Pramod Kumar Bansal sir, huge cheers. The mentor of charismatic distinction, the backbone of our institution, our inspiration whose presence itself is a great motivation, a great cheers. It is Director Honorable Pramod Kumar Bansal sir, whose distinguished presence ignites a spark of excitement and multiplies our enthusiasm and joy exponentially. Please put your hands together as I request our Sir Gyan Gautam, the principal mentor, to offer our Honorable Sir. Thank you, Sir Tripathi, to offer our Honorable Director a floral welcome amid huge cheers. Please put your hands together, everyone, out there till this lamp lighting ceremony, the sacred act of garlanding the resplendent goddess Saraswati. We all seek the blessings of the Almighty for the successful and enriching. God, our heart yearns for your choicest blessings. Bless us with good health, wisdom and knowledge. Dear audience, please put your hands together to welcome our little angels, Shivisha, Yuvishka and Tarini for each Vandana.
Baba
a pious aura with their very, very inspiring and motivating Ish Vandana. School anthem. It enhances the sense of dedication and belongings towards the school. It creates a sense of loyalty and devotion in the minds of the students. The term anthem means a song of celebration. So let's celebrate the joy of being a part of Bansal Public School. A great yes. Yet, let's take the school's name high with this amidst huge round of applauses. May I invite the students for the school anthem. Round of applauses. Now they are here.
Future,
students? Yeah. So, what a melodious performance presented by our students. Please put your hands together. Give a thunderous round of applause. Till back, the students who are sitting at the back, thunderous applauses. Assimilate each and every word of the school anthem in your soul and heart and come true to the words. With that, dear audience, it is a privilege and a matter of great pride and pleasure that to grace the occasion, we have with us today our esteemed Chief Mentor and Director of our school, Honorable Pramod Kumar Bansal Sir. Honorable Sir has a guiding light for our institution, providing visionary leadership and mentorship. Only with our Honorable Sir's hard work and abundant knowledge, experience and expertise, our institution has now become a hallmark in quality education. With that, join me in welcoming our Honorable Chief Mentor and Director, Honorable Pramod Kumar Bansal Sir, onto the stage to address the gathering. Please put your hands together. Honorable Sir, please. With us today, the Director of our school to address the gathering, and to hear him is a pure matter of delight and indeed a pleasure and privilege. So I request you all, please, hear and assimilate each and every word to be spoken by our Honorable Sir. Kindly maintain the decorum and silence in the auditorium.
Entire BPS fraternity and my dear students. It is my proud privilege to be the integral part of this investiture ceremony. To begin with, I would like to extend my best wishes and congratulations to all the members of the newly formed Student Council. I would say new council means the new designations, and new designations means the new responsibilities, and new responsibility means that there should be a better coordination in between the students and the rest of the school, for which of course head boy, head girl, house captains will have to share the maximum responsibilities. As you are now the ambassadors of the school, so naturally the way you act, the way you behave, the way you perform, the way you present is going to be the image or perception of the school in the eyes of the society. As you are now more or less the student leaders, so I am supposed to tell you something about leader and leadership. Fundamentally, if you see, a leader is said to be a person having all sorts of good qualities, and on the other hand should not have any bad qualities. And if I try to summarize all the good qualities and bad qualities, fundamentally, if you see, that a leader should have a habit to work in a team, so that he can identify and utilize the potential of each and every of his council members. As I said, that he should not have any bad qualities, in the sense that he should never think that he is a boss and rest of them are subordinate to him. He should take the team along with him. Though there are, n number of good qualities which the society used to accept, or the society which used to find that their leaders should have all sorts of good qualities. And similar to it is very difficult, but similarly the society wants that their leaders should not have any bad qualities. So that whatever I try to summarize, it includes everything, as far as the good and bad qualities. As the school has given you certain additional responsibility, does not mean that you are allowed to curtail down your studies or compromise on your performance Rather, you will have to promise me that next year you will perform better than ever. Truly speaking, if you wish to become head boy, head girl, house captains, then you should be head boy, head girl, house captains academically. Also, then and then only you can inspire and set up an exam to your junior fellows. Where are the council members? Can I see them? Where are they? Raise your hands. What I said, I mean it, you know. And what I mean it, I take it that way that you promised me. That it does not mean that you really religiously feel like that you are head boy, head girl or house captains, or you know, you become the leaders of the school. No. It is basically for the purpose of coordination within the school so that our school synchronizes the several activities without any hassle. But as I said that the academics are very important. It should be kept on topmost priority because ultimately if a leader is educated, then and then only he can take the society along. That's what we can understand. That's what we see, that's what we know. So that is guaranteed that you will not put any, you know, stone unturned so as to give your best in years to come. Little away from the topic, I would say as your new academic session has been already started, going in full swing, so put the accelerator on and take the momentum so as to achieve the stipulated target. The world is changing very fast. The latest studies, the statement say that as per the Martin Oxford, the 30% of the present jobs, the prevailing jobs which you are going for after completing the graduation are going to be vanished by 2030. So you should prepare right from the today so that you are fit for the society, you are fit for the time which is coming after 2030 by the time that you are completing your graduation. So that is what is important. It is not like that you become a casual person, you become a normal person, or you become academically somewhere in between and you wish to settle your career and you dream your career to be on the top. Not possible. Until unless you exert or excel for the best. Something special. The word is coming, AI. The entire, everything is, concentrating towards robotics. Everything is coming, where there are, practical approach is more important. What is that you should make yourself indispensable. Technically, if you see, a lot of help would be available from overseas, but if you make yourself indispensable, then you can have a fundamental, a good life. So as I was saying, the world is changing very fast. Everything is becoming highly technical and competitive. For anything or everything, you are just away by pressing the key. Press the key, the food is at your doorstep. Press the key, you can launch the satellite, but let me tell you, my dear friends, there is no such key is available for the success. For success, you need to do a lot of hard work, dedication, perseverance. And in case if you want success on permanent, it is not like that if you do the hard work today, if I study say 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours consistently today, my job is over all throughout the life. No, this is not possible. Unless you do the hard work every day. And if you want the success on permanent basis, that hard work is to be done permanently, honestly, cheerfully, religiously, consistently, regularly, smilingly, and with all sorts of ease. Then and then only you can have a permanent life and can live it with high head. That is what is very important. And at every point of time I am going to tell you this. Because Gandhiji was always telling, you must have read somewhere, that learn as if you are never going to die. and live as you are going to die today. तब तक सीखते रहना है, तब तक मेहनत करते रहना है, ऐसे कि कभी मरेंगे। और जिंदा दिली ऐसे रखना है, जिंदा ऐसे रखना है, खुश ऐसे रहना है। जैसे मतलब आज की टाइम है, तो जितना खुश होना है हो लो। खुश होने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि यू एंजॉय गुड फूड एंड स्लीप लाइक कुकर, नो। खुश रहने का मतलब है बी ऑन द जॉब, वर्क फॉर विच गॉड हैज मेड यू, सो दैट अल्टीमेटली यू grow the society, participate in growing the society. I think this is enough for today, and finally I would say that the new council members will fulfill all their duties and their responsibility to the best of their ability, and will put in their best efforts in the growth of the school which BPS will cherish. So God bless you. Let the ceremony be continued. Thank you.
Please put your hands together, everyone, and each and every word is spoken especially for you people and all the students. There is no shortcoming to the success. There is no press button for the success, and you have to be prepared for your upcoming future with your hard work, perseverance. That is what our Honorable Sir has given you the mantra of success. Please put your hands together once again. Thank you, Honorable Sir, for... Thank you, Honorable Sir. Once again, please put your hands together. Dear audience, that signifies passing the baton of responsibilities from the previous council to the present leaders. Dear audience, it's the time to behold the handing over of the school flag. Amidst huge applauses, please welcome here we have Master Tarun Gola, the head boy of the previous academic session 24-25, who will be handing over the baton of responsibilities to the newly appointed head boy, Master Arith Vijay of 10B, and the newly appointed head girl, Miss Aratrika Saha of 10A. Please put your hands together. As the baton of responsibilities have now been transferred over to the newly appointed head boy and the head girl and rest of the council. Please put your hands together loudly. Yeah. Hands together once again as the newly elected student council for the academic session 2025-26, marching past, holding their flags that reminds us of the trust and confidence that we repose in our newly elected cabinet. Knowing the matter of responsibilities, they all pledge to dispatch their duties to the best of their ability and abide by the rules and regulations of our school. Escorting the student council by Cadet Ms. of the newly appointed Student Council 25-26. Now the newly appointed Student Council office bearers will now place the flags of the school and their respective houses in the flag stand. May I request Master Arit Vijay, the head boy, and Miss Aradrika Saha, the head girl of our school, to proceed toward the flag stand to place the school flag into the stand amid huge cheers. May the name of our school Captain Arnav Singh will be placing the flag of the house in the stand. Please put your hands together for the Red House. Master Shaurya Bharadwaj to place the yellow house flag into the stand. Please put your hands together for the yellow house. Elena Vijayvargya and Vice Captain Miss Samriddhi Hada requesting to place the flag of the house into the stand, please. Blue house. Now, may I call upon Greenhouse Captain Miss Chavi Rawat and Vice Captain of the Greenhouse Miss Sanvi Ruhela. The Greenhouse. Captains, the head girl and head boy of our school. Now let me introduce you all to the other office bearers and the presidents of the various clubs of our school. Miss Sia Shekhawat, the cultural captain. Master Maulik and Miss Shrivya Agarwal, the discipline is together for Dance and Drama Club, for English Literary Club, Ms. Kanishka Rathore. For Maths Club, the President, Master Gatik Khandelwal. Please put your hands together for the Eco Club. For Sports Club, Aradhya Dakar. Hindi Samiti Club, Ms. Avika Gupta. And for Tourism Club, Ms. Vanshika Mandawar. May I request all the house in charges and club in charges on the dais as I announce their names, please. In charge, Ms. Megha Sharma. For Yellow House, the house in charge, Ms. Navneet Bedi. The Blue House in charge for Green. My God. So, further for the dance and drama, the teacher in charge, Ms. Ritu Jain. For the music, yes, I think you all are filled with enthusiasm. Now please welcome English Literary Club teacher in charge, Ms. Sarita Dikshit. Art and Craft Club teacher in charge, Ms. Sarita Jain. For Maths Club we have Ms. Mahima Bajaj. Wow, the students are immensely bubbled with enthusiasm. Party! And Ms. Meenakshi Gautam. For Sports Club, Mr. Riaz Ahmed. For Hindi Samiti Club, none other than Ms. Ranu Rajora. And for Tourism Club, none other than Mr. Mahendra Verma. And of course, and Ms. Shilpi Solomon. Once again, a thunderous clappings. By the way, you all are filled with enthusiasm. That really uplifts our enthusiasm. Students, great. It is our hope the school office bearers will lead the school by example more than mere desire. Now I request the present dignitaries, the Chief Mentor and Director of our school, Honorable Pramod Kumar Bansal sir, and the Director of our school, Dr. Richa Bansal, the Mentor Principal, Sir Gyan Gautam, the Principal Ma'am Savita Tripathi, along with the other present dignitaries, to come upon the dais for donning the mantle of responsibilities and leadership, pinning the patches and donning the sashes. Please put your hands together. Soon you will behold the vista of our sashes and badges given to our newly appointed council. I request Sharma and Sanskriti Sahu. On drum beats we have Samriti Sharma of 9th B, Khanak Soni of 9th A, Anshika Jain of 9th B, Trisha Meena of 9th A. They also deserve our kudos. Please put your hands together. We have Lakshmi Sanadhyam, Shashti Suman, Kavya, Sia Kavya, Shivanshi Kavya, donning the mantle of responsibilities to our newly appointed council members. Now I request Master Arit Vijay, the head boy, and the please put your hands together. Now they are wearing the sashes and lily is on to them Mayor Shekhawat. Now I would like to call Master Maulik Chittoda along with Ms. Trivia Agarwal, the discipline captain. Master Arnav Singh and the house in charge, Ms. Megha Sharma. Please put your hands together as the office bearers of the Red House. They are now receiving their badges and the sashes as well. The Red House. Call upon the captain of Yellow House, Master Arush Sharma, along with the vice captain Shaurya Bharadwaj and the house in charge of Yellow House, Ms. Navneet Bedi. Yellow House, cheer for your house. Many congratulations to the Yellow House Council. May I? Anna Vijayavagya, along with the Vice Captain of Blue House, Ms. Samriti Khara, and the House in charge, Ms. Dipanjali Thakur. Please put your hands together for the Blue House. The badges and sashes of the Blue House. Blue House, few cheers. Many congratulations to the Blue House. Now I would like to invite the Green Vice Captain, Ms. Sanvi Rohela, and the teacher in charge of the house, Ms. Many congratulations to the Green House. Put your hands together. A huge clap. Dance and drama that put your feet in swing, indeed indispensable. Club, please put your hands together once again. Along with the teacher in charge of the club, Mr. Girish Sharma. A huge clapping for the music club office bearers. office bearers, please put your hands together for bearers. Keep President Miguel Jaria along with the teacher in charges Ms. Nukur Tripathi and Ms. Meenakshi Gautam. Congratulations to the Eco Club office bearers. Please put your hands together for the Eco Club office bearers. Together, give a thunderous loud and yes, students were Club office bearers once again. Many congratulations to the office bearers of Bearer of Tourism Club, Ritu Jain, the activity in charge. Many thunderous applauses, students. Give a thunderous applause. Trees for doing the honors. Thank you, teachers. It is a means for the office bearers making commitment to the duties, responsibilities and the obligations, which is an indispensable part for the council. Okay. The student council promise to represent and serve our fellow students and set an example in all aspects of school life. We will abide by the rules and regulations of the school with sincerity and encourage extension of the school spirit and tone. As a student council, we will uphold loyalty to the traditions and ethos of the school and be fully committed to all that Bansal Public School stands for and tries to achieve. Thank you. It's a elation, matter of great elation that Master Tarun Bhola, the head boy of our school for the previous session, dispensed his duties to the best of his capacity and now he has handed over his baton of responsibilities to the present council. May I request Master Tarun Bhola, the head boy of the academic session 24-25 to come up on the dais to share his experience with us and to say a few words amidst huge clappings. Please put your hands together for Master Tarun Bhola.
Director ma'am, principal ma'am and principal mentor. My name is Tarun Bhola, the previous head boy of the school. Being the head boy wasn't just a badge or a title. It was a responsibility, a journey and above all, a chance to serve and represent this amazing institution. I was fortunate to learn not just confidence but compassion, not just leadership but humility. I was supported by the teachers. If there is one message I want to leave with you today, it would be that you don't need a title to lead. Leadership starts with action, with initiative, with kindness. Whether you are a class monitor or simply someone who helps clean up after an event, you are shaping your legacy. As I move forward in life, everything I learned here, discipline, work, empathy, continues to guide me. This school gave me values, friendships, and a second home. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Master Tarun Bhola, the head boy of our previous academic session, he really worked very hard along with the head girl and really made our school feel proud. Now I would like to call upon Miss Aratrika Saha, the present session head girl, to say a few words, please. Put your hands together for Miss Aratrika Saha.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Aratrika Saha of class 10th. I feel truly honored and grateful to be standing here as the newly appointed head girl of Bansal Public School. I would like to begin by respectfully acknowledging the presence of our esteemed dignitaries Pramod Kumar Bansal sir, Dr. Richa Bansal ma'am, Gyan Gautam sir and Mrs. Savita Tripathi ma'am. Your leadership and guidance not only shape the school but the values we carry for our lives. Being entrusted with this role is not just a proud moment for me, but also a reminder of the responsibility I now carry to lead with integrity, to serve with humility, and to represent each student with fairness. I promise to do my best to uphold the discipline and spirit of the school, to be a source of encouragement for my fellow students, and to support my teachers in maintaining the inspiring environment which makes our school so special. I believe leadership is not suppressing others, it's about uplifting others, setting examples, and creating a space where everyone feels heard and supported. Being the head girl, I don't just want to guide, I want to listen, collaborate, and grow. As the author Robin Sharma rightly said, leadership is not about a title or a designation, it's about impact, influence, and inspiration. And that is exactly what I want to bring into this role. I want to thank my teachers for always believing in me and my family and my friends for their constant support and encouragement. I know the journey ahead will be challenging, but with the strength of school community beside me, I'm confident we'll make this year truly meaningful together. Last but not the least, I'm really grateful for this opportunity and I'm ready for the upcoming challenges and journey. Not alone, but with all of you. Thank you.
Wonderful words by our present head girl, Miss Aratrika Saha. Very inspiring, very encouraging words by her. Please put your hands together once again. Is complete without our national anthem. So let us all stand up to honor the beautiful land of our nation, Hindustan, and let's Jai Bharat, Jai Hindustan. Thank you very much everyone. Respective classes, along with their teachers. It is also requested that Yellow House, please stand by for the photograph. Ms. Navneet Bedi, the house. Green House, please stand by for the photograph. Blue House, please stand by for the photograph. Now I would like
After this, vice captains and captains of all the houses come here for the photograph. Only vice captain and captains.
Art and Craft Club, Ms. Sarita Jain. For Maths Club, Gatik Khandelwal, along with the teacher in charge, Ms. For Eco Club, please stand by for the photograph. For Sports Club, Aradhya Dhakar, teacher in charge, Ms. Ranu Rajora, and President Avika Gupta, please stand by for the photographs, Mr. Mahendra Verma, along with the President. All the club presidents